Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Through Talks podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. We hope you are having a great day.
Today's topic is English conversation at the bus stop.
This is a common real-life situation, especially for students, workers, and travelers.
Hi, Daniel. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am. I need to go downtown.
Oh, me too.
That's nice. Do you take this bus often?
Yes, almost every day.
Then maybe you can help me.
Sure. What do you need to know?
Does this bus go to Central Mall?
Yes, it does.
Great. How long does it take?
Usually about 20 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Are you visiting the mall?
Yes, I need to buy a few things.
What are you planning to buy?
Some clothes and a new pair of shoes.
Sounds good.
Do buses usually arrive on time here?
Most of the time, yes.
That's good to hear.
But sometimes traffic causes delays.
That happens everywhere.
How do you usually travel?
I usually drive, but my car is being repaired.
Oh, I see.
So today, I'm using public transportation.
It's a good experience sometimes.
Excuse me, what time is the next bus?
According to the schedule, it should arrive in 5 minutes.
Perfect.
Do you like traveling by bus?
Sometimes. I enjoy looking out the window,
Me too. It's relaxing.
especially on rainy days.
Yes, rainy days make bus rides feel peaceful.
Look, I think the bus is coming.
Yes, that's our bus.
Great. Thanks for your help today.
You're welcome.
Let's practice some useful phrases.
Good idea.
Does this bus go to Central Mall?
What time is the next bus?
How long does it take?
I'm waiting for the bus.
The bus is arriving.
Excellent.
Today, we practiced useful English phrases for conversations at a bus stop.
These simple phrases can help you travel more confidently in English.
Thank you for listening to English Through Talks podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe and practice English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.